This is the quietest LiftMaster AC chain drive I've heard in a while. So I have to shoot a video of it. And yes, it is on my door in my brand new home. Yes, I just installed it myself. This is what was in before. I wanted 2 lights, so here you go. Let's listen. 893 LMMC. Running it now. And no, this does not have motor vibration isolation system like the Formula One belt drives did. This is a standard AC motor, just like all the other chain drives. It's just very well made, and it shows. So anyway, just thought I'd share. Have a good one.